Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the Shark robotic vacuum battery. Takes less than 5 minutes. All I needed to do was to order a new battery. I bought a third-party battery. Could have also went with a Shark branded battery. Either way, had to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the battery door. And after that, I basically used the pull tabs on the old battery to pull the battery out. There is a little connector to the main circuit board. I used a pair of needle nose pliers to very lightly pinch the unlock tab on the connector. After that, I basically pulled a little tug and it came out. Now, both batteries are the same size, but the third party battery had a much longer cable, roughly another 2 inches more of wire. So I fingered put it to the same degree and angle of the original battery and finger pushed it in until it clicked. And with the extra cable and wire, I basically wrapped it to the side. I made sure the tab was still facing outward so I could pull the battery out next time I replace the battery. Now, how long do these batteries last? My original Ninja battery lasted for about 2 years, and it started to go back to the dock and start charging a lot more after doing a couple rooms of vacuuming. So I got the third party battery. It's already been about 6 months, and it's gone through 3 rooms without having to recharge. Now, after replacing the battery, I placed it back on the dock, pushed the on button, and let it start charging. As you can see, the light is moving from one side to the next, so it's charging. And that's it. Very simple. Thanks for watching.